How to leave a Life360 circle. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can leave a Life360 circle, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to leave a Life360 circle, all you have to do is simply open the Life360 application here. Once you've done that, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and make sure to sign into the account. Then you'll see this type of interface where you can see my circle is currently selected here. Once I'm in a specific circle and if I want to leave that circle, tap the gear icon from the top left corner of the screen here as you can find it. Once you tap the gear icon from the top left, you just want to scroll here and then you'll find circle management option. So just make sure to tap the circle management option here. Once you tap on circle management, scroll down and here you'll find leave circle. And if you want to leave a circle, just tap on it. Tap on the yes option and you'll have successfully left the Life360 circle. This way you can leave a Life360 circle. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.